Hi, I'm Danny, and I want to find out what goes on in my refrigerator. Let's find out. Stay. Alright? What went on? Don't tell me. I'm gonna figure it out. It's so intense. Okay, for all of those of you wondering what goes on in my refrigerator when it's shut, it's nothing.